I don't know. I mean, the little artists them I try to them thing, but you don't know levels. You have levels to this thing. Yeah, so may I say, keep the kind of league over there, so a big league, right? So.
A few moments later.
I mean, all right. Right now, every artist in a dancehall just a try. This me forget a hype, but I mean, I just saw it go when you're the man at the top here. So may I say, everybody just try and try to drain the energy.
One eternity later.
Every other artist lost.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know, one Media Fox man happy now. Yeah man. So people, imagine. You don't know Alkaline I got in Miami. You don't know him are there in Philadelphia. You understand? Yeah. Xfinity Mobile Arena, is it? But people, imagine for the last decade, since Alkaline Bus 2013, like, him had the only dancehall artist we bus since 2013 where I do like solo arenas by himself. It's so funny. That's like, because it's like from 2013 to 2026 people. Seeing you have about maybe like about 50 artists, right? Well, we get the break in a dancehall. Imagine, including no Alkaline 950, but it would be 50 or more. So around 50 to 55 artists. And you're telling me the same artist where them say fall off, you tell me say him alone at the arena by himself? Like when you really look on it, me I say, yo, if you see so many artists were bust after him, and him are the only artist who are headline arenas by himself, the youth really a move fast. You understand? Like the youth set him thinking at the business. All of the artists them where them say I get the bag of hits and the this and the that. Why them not do this? Why there's no demand? Why them not pull them crowd here? Why them not in the arenas? That's what I'm tell you, Remember say it's a more wild people. When you look on it, you say, yo, them say that youth a fall off, him missing out of the game for 5 years. Bag of thing and way. But him alone in a film generation, I do him I do. That make no sense, people. Big man thing. That even make any sense? Because if him not go on with nothing, then why all of this? Because the same people and what them say are going with things. Seeing? Same people them, right? The same people and what them say are going with things, seeing? We not see them do this. You see me? We not see them do this, people. So this not look right. Like the more we look on it, me I say, yo, all of them talk, yeah. Wait there. They must say man consistent. They must say a be it's him a job. But why the people them not found out for seeing on a big scale? Why him not headline him shows them like him alone? Why that not happen? And that me I say people. So you're telling me the hype thing where they at Jamaica is just only for a matter of time and the talking where them a make? Because if Alkaline a do them thing yeah, and them say him a do less and him a do not do nothing and him not get no hit song. But when you look, Alkaline a perform them song yeah, in the same arena and we hear people are sing it. So this don't make no sense. So it seems to me a two different dancers we have, local and international. You understand? Or them just a run with the hype. And because Alkaline a too run down hype, they must say, yo, him fall off and this and that. Because this couldn't be a fall off artist. And he might go be the only the first dancehall artist to sell out the Xfinity Arena in Philadelphia. You understand? And the same one I think I see one in Miami as well. So, what are we saying here? Is the industry holding back these artists, like tricking them or what? Or maybe through them can control them, so them say these things? At that more annoying people. This youth when him Alkaline, I do them thing ya. And them say a bag of things. Them say him fall off 2016. The last time I hear a man say Alkaline last biggest song at 2016. Seen? And me I say, so you tell me say Alkaline biggest song was 10 years ago. So how somebody have sung 10 years ago? A headline arena. But the man them will have bag of hits. Not doing it. This now make no sense, people. Them been tricking these artists. No man, a big trick this man. This a big trick, people. Why out of the 50 to 55 artists we get a little break in dancehall since Alkaline, and he's the only one doing these things at a scale? In people, them say, remember you know, you have a lot of artists who bust around Alkaline time. Seeing? But we now see these. Isn't something off there, so people? Something not right there, so. The industry a trick these people to make them seem say, yo, you're big, you know, this and that and Ray. You understand? Why are just Alkaline alone? We want the culture to grow. We want more artists to do these things. We don't want the industry to trick these artists so them a get a bag of hits and them consistent. But when you check it, these same consistent hits is not carrying these crowds. It nah add up, people. It nah make no sense. Them a get trick and trap. Them a get trapped in a box. You see this dancehall little social media Jamaica little thing hype. It a trick them, make them feel like say the outside world is the same. You understand? Because Alkaline just gone a little over a decade. You understand? I mean, no, say Alkaline go the more and more arenas. You understand? And we are talking about the new generation we are talking about. The new generation. We are talking about the generation where an artist a bust them and an artist a endorse them, carry them on stage and all of them thing there. We are talking about the artists them who just bust and get them break by themselves. You understand? New generation we are talking about. The same generation of Alkaline, you know? And it we are talking about. Why are him alone? We need, me tell people, you know, these people are getting tricked. As them get the break in a dance hall, by next 2 to 3 years, the hyping up, the this, the that. When touch 5 years, you not hear about them no more. The industry trick them. Same like what them do with Skipper now. They must say Skipper run the place, this and that, but when you look, Skipper run Jamaica. But what Skipper is doing outside of Jamaica? These are the things we're supposed to try to push the artists them outside of Jamaica, you know. You understand? The artists them get a look around the dance all the hype and the this and the that. These are the things we are talking about. Word of mouth cannot do nothing for dancehall. So I will not talk about it and consistency and who are on the ground. How long you gonna run the ground for? Because you gonna run the ground till the ground run down you. Do you understand? You gonna run down the ground till you can't move no more. You need to come out of the ground there. You understand? This industry is tricking the artists them, trapping them, make them feel like say them is the man. But by you give them 5 years or maybe even less, them no more again. You understand? The game change right now. The game change. You understand? Like, we supposed to see We supposed to see more young artists do them big thing at scale. Yeah. These are the things we are talking about. You can't see 50 to 55 artists boss and you see one a do it. And you not bring down the one the way I do it. Tell me now, people. The one artist where the solo arena where I represent dancehall, right? People are forward out and you are going to bring down that artist. The one out of the how much artists we are boss. When you should motivate and encourage the other 50 to 55 artists for reach a level of Alkaline there. You understand? And them thing they not supposed to pre, but you know what you do? You trick them. When you come out every day, yo, Alkaline fall off, him nah do nothing. Him fall off from 2016. If you trick them, for make it look like the Alkaline nah do nothing. You understand? And then no hype up them now. And then once the hype done, them gone back in a one shell. And once them gone back in a shell, because this is how you fall off, you know. You see when the hype done, and there's no more hype around you no more, it's like the mass not to promote you no more. Them not to make the music like that no more. You understand? Because dancehall now is like, it's all about fan base, competition, and controversy thing. You understand? And let me tell you this. Alkaline is not using controversy, you know. You understand? He's not using controversy. The youth just do music and not just do him shows. It's just because the hate where them have for Alkaline, it turned in a controversy. So when him go do him shows or do him songs, everybody come out, yo, a Shaggy song this. Yo, him not go full out the arena. All of them little thing there. Then it turned in a controversy because everybody start talking about it now. You understand? Because controversy have an expiry date. There's going to be a time when there's none. What you're going to do about that? You understand? So keep on tricking the youths and make them feel like say, oh, this a it's. Seem like what artists found out and say, yo, who a drop the hits them? Me. But where is the hits now? What is it? What the hits them a do? Man signed to label. The man them what them say I run the ground and only a chart in Jamaica. What is it doing? What major it's doing for you? These are the things them are supposed to talk about. Where is the young artist, the young generation of artists them will fall into line with Alkaline generation? What are they doing? Because some bossing at the time when Alkaline did it. Where them a do? These are the things if you don't want the culture to grow. You're not supposed to look on them artists and say, yo, what I do? Rather than see Alkaline I do something great for dancehall, I use him show and him brand and him team for pull these crowd for represent dancehall. You understand? Because he's the youngest dancehall artist that's doing this. So if you see one young dancehall artist that do this, you don't feel like say what now go bring down the artist there and say this and say that it a go do good for the culture. It not go do good. Because if I'm the youngest, which the young generation, right? And him a carry that button there. Like when I do now, him a full out the arena them by himself. You I go try damage control that and feel like say it a go do good. So you want try. So you go try do that and then when you check it, nobody nah do it. Or if you not highlight this, motivate the other rest of you them. Oh, it a go look good. You understand? Because the giant them a do it. Cartel a do it. You understand? Buju did a do it. Right? Alkaline a do it. The youngest. So if the youngest a do it, you're not supposed to say, yo, that youth name Alkaline, you know. You're not supposed to aim to that level here. Because this is the future we are talking about. You're not supposed to reach to this level. Try to build a fan base. You understand? Try to put out some music. Try to build on a brand And a lot of dancehall artists, they don't try to build them brand. Them try only to build controversy around them or build hype. These are the things them do. Don't follow what the elder them a do. Them don't build them catalog already. Them don't have a catalog we can live off of. So if you see them on social media every day, now watch what them a do. Them don't do what them for do already. Do you understand? You know we're young and just a forward up, you know, maybe fast 5 years on your career. You supposed to pre some different level building your brand. While you build your brand, you try to build your fans. You understand? It don't make no sense. And this is one of the things. Let your fans focus on you for music, not personal life and all of them something there. You understand? Give them music. Sometimes if you make your fans miss it, you can't make them go 5 days a week a party and see you there. It don't make no sense. Stop coming out on yourself and them little thing there. You see it? You don't need to focus, stay in, build on a brand, build up something, start out on yourself. No for owners don't get the break the hype, get to no. When start focus on this and that and rare. When they have every party, when they on every stage, so now get strength and all of them little thing there. Brother, them they not help on a career dog. You not go come on out. And when you come on out, brother, and get to that stage, there's no turning back. May I tell you, you're so much artist, me tell you a while ago. 50 to 55. And you can hardly count 10 artists in a 2026 out of the 55 artists there right now. Where we say get a little break in a dancehall. We hardly can find 10. But we could have said, yo, a them go carry on the thing right now. Everybody around with hype and them little thing there, brother. You see me? Because them not focusing on branding. None of them a move like regular people. Some of them a do music and badness. You understand? That now going away, brother. You don't need to stay focused. You understand? Stay focused. You see it? What Alkaline do is great, especially for film generation and for dancehall. And this is supposed to pre. We start off from arenas, then we go in a stadium. I saw it go. We have to start from somewhere. So you can stay there. Make the industry fool and say, yo, now the money, no. Yo, I want to face at this, ray. Bro, don't make them trick, you know. Them say these things because them can control, you know. And once nothing now go on for, you know, them just put on one side. Once the hype no they run no more, just put you one side. Me I tell you no. I'm tired for seeing a dancehall right now. Too much artists are drop off of the dancehall scene. Too much. You understand? It's like once the hype done, them feel like say, yo, I eat this to me, you know. Them now put in the work, it is the hungriness gone. You have always put in the work, no matter what people say. You understand? Promote yourself. Do all these things. But never you run down hype. If you run down hype, anything you meds that you get, nobody now gonna meds your music. You see this TikTok live and this Instagram live and this. Them thing they only water down and drop you as a value as an artist because people are see every day. Them now, distract them from your music where you put out. You understand? So only stay focused on building structure and building a brand. You see me? And as I say, people, Alkaline are going to Philadelphia. You see me? Yeah. Xfinity Mobile Arena. Yeah, you don't know that hour. June the 13th. You know that going in Miami. You see me? Miami. He go in 22nd of May. So look out, people. Or just our next history the youth have a set. And the youth are all up the young generation right now. You see me? Yeah. He might carry on the button for the young generation and represent out there. You see it? Remember that, people. You see me? But people, big up on yourself. Getting the tickets. You don't know one media fox pan app. There's no other. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. Respect for the support.